Okay, I think I have to start the class for this evening. First of all, I would like to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good evening everybody. I do hope that you are all in a good condition for this evening. Semuanya semoga dalam keadaan baik-baik saja. Hai Tika. Sorry. Where are you? Tika ada di rumah kah? How about Nailul? Aniasi, Nailul, are you at home?
Hello, Miss.
Office, Miss.
Sorry, what
Yes,
is it?
In office.
Yes. Oh, in the office, still in the office. How come? What time will you go home?
Jam 9.
9. Okay. It means that if we have the offline class and then you will not be able to come dong ya. Kalau kita kuliahnya offline berarti nggak bisa datang juga gitu ya. Okay guys, today our discussion will be focused more on your assignment, the previous assignment of you. I have checked it, ya. The four group of you, Ibu sudah cek ya, empat kelompok gitu ya. And I'm quite happy that you are able to, write the script, the dialogue, ya, in only a day, hanya dalam satu hari, ya, gitu ya. And I do hope that you are all understand what do you have submitted. Semuanya harus paham dengan apa yang sudah dikumpulkan. Nah, I think I am not really sure whether I give you unclear directions. Apakah Ibu memberikan perintah yang kurang jelas sehingga when I check your work, ketika Ibu tadi ngecek tugas dari teman-teman, yang Ibu amati adalah there is a group, ada satu kelompok just writing a meeting script, ya. Nggak tahu apakah belum selesai gitu ya, hanya script untuk meeting aja, and then there is no giving service script, ya. You do not practicing the giving service, and then there is another group, ada juga kelompok lain yang make a script for meeting and also for the service, but they are really in different situation, di situasi yang benar-benar berbeda. Sebenarnya yang Ibu minta bukan karena memang mungkin contohnya kemarin gitu ya. Contohnya kemarin itu kan sebuah situasi yang benar-benar berbeda, memberikan pelayanan di mana, kemudian meetingnya tentang apa gitu kan ya. Nah, what I want you to do actually, yang kepingin Ibu yang Ibu inginkan adalah teman-teman ini membuat tugas for the final assignment itu service yang digabung dengan meeting. Ya, digabung dalam artian begini, dia harus berkaitan. They must relate each other. Harus berkaitan. Misalnya, you want to have the service first. Ada pelayanan dulu. Oke. Nah, ini ada pesan dari Mas Ical nih. Silahkan on cam ya teman-teman, karena kalau nggak on cam itu nggak kelihatan gitu ya. Ini yang muncul di Ibu hanya Aniasih sama Nailul. Oke, thank you Joyce. Thank you Donna, thank you Laila ya. Hai Donna. Still mute ya. Oke, nah let me repeat my explanation. What I want you to do is you have to make the script for giving service that is related to the meeting. or the vice versa atau sebaliknya gitu ya. Dimana mungkin tadi ada Ibu lihat giving service-nya about the complaint also gitu ya. Ada komplain dari customer yang dihandling oleh CSR gitu ya, Customer Service Representative, and then mungkin dari pelayanan itu, di mana melayani customer yang komplain itu kemudian dibawa dalam weekly meeting mungkin ya. Jadi ada pertemuan mingguan yang diadakan di perusahaan tersebut. Salah satunya adalah membahas komplain dari customer tersebut. Jadi meetingnya membahas mungkin agenda-agendanya tentang apa saja yang terjadi di masing-masing departemen. Nah, salah satunya adalah mengatasi komplain dari customer yang dilakukan di pelayanan sebelumnya, ya, which is done in the previous service. Jadi di situ nanti disampaikan, oh ya kemarin kita ada delay, we got a delay for the order number bla bla bla. Ya, the name of the customer is this one, kayak gitu disampaikan aja, kemudian you may give the solution atau menyampaikan solusi yang sudah diberikan apa. Kemudian ternyata dari atasan solusi tersebut tidak diterima, harusnya begini-begini for example. And then you may go on to the next agenda. Agenda berikutnya selain dari customer service tadi, boleh menambahkan agenda lain. Ya, entah dari department finance-nya, karena teman-teman dari akuntansi itu akan bagus kalau mau agendanya adalah membahas tentang keuangan, membahas tentang pajak, maybe. Ya, oke. I think I would like to give you an example. Ibu kasih contoh ya, melalui sebuah video yang mungkin dia juga nggak terlalu panjang, teman-teman. Let me find the file first. Jadi nanti kalau memang hari ini teman-teman mungkin bisa diperbaiki dulu. I will group you. You may have the discussion again in the Zoom. Gitu ya. Nah, wait. Nggak bisa geser ya. Nah, ini Ibu tadi sudah ngecek punya teman-teman, but let me show you the other. Agak lama ya, mau ditunggu. Jadi for the meeting ya, untuk meetingnya tidak harus yang panjang gitu ya. Teman-teman bisa take one for the service and then you have a longer meeting kayak gitu. Devi Hera. Oh, this one. Ibu langsung ke sini aja ke videonya ya. Actually, it is a script. Ini scriptnya juga, teman-teman. Not this one. Berat ternyata. Masih gelap ya, teman-teman. Ibu coba share dengan suaranya. Mungkin bisa kita nikmati bersama dulu contohnya. Oh, ini masih mute. Terus putus. Suaranya masuk ya teman-teman ya.
Masuk. Masuk.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Before our quiz arrives, so we need to be concise and confident.
I'm ready. From our fund acquired.
Operation RSET, I have the cost analysis for the location and all necessary.
Okay. In this group, they make the meeting
So, Mr. Sufyan,
for the first performance.
Hello, Miss Adisa and Miss Fanny.
Nah, okay. This part, yang bagian ini when he said, "Hello, Miss Adisa." Nah, this meetingnya itu ketemu dengan klien, ya.
My name is Sufyan.
Sini,
Secretary.
the boy try to serve the client
I want escort
who are waiting in the waiting room, yang menunggu di ruang tunggu. Ceritanya seperti itu.
meeting room.
good morning, Mr.
It's just a small part, hanya bagian kecil aja di sini.
Sufyan. Yes, I'm ready. Thank you for the warm welcome.
Go to the meeting room, diajaklah ke ruang meeting. Ya. The service is only the semua dua hal itu menyatu, tidak terpotong.
My name is Ima, director of this company.
And then finally, they continue the meeting, handling the client problems till the end. Seperti itu. Nah, here kita bisa lihat dari skripnya di sini. Matikan dulu. Ya, itu untuk videonya ya. For the script, untuk skripnya yang seperti ini teman-teman. Alright team, a quick alignment before our guest arrive. Nah ini, dari awal dibilang sebelum tamu kita datang ya, we need to be concise and confident. Are we all set? Nah, and then, here is the service. Di sini, the secretary exits and sees the guest. Tamunya ya. Servisnya ada di sini. Good morning, Miss Adisa, Miss Fanny. My name is Sufyan, secretary to Miss Sukma. If you are ready, I would escort you to the meeting. Smiling as she stands up. Good morning, Mr. Sufyan. Yes, we are ready. Thank you for the warm welcome. Sini ya, coba pelayanannya. Nah, buat teman-teman bisa agak panjang mungkin ya. Ditemui dulu gitu ya, kemudian ditanyakan bagaimana kesininya tadi. Itu adalah bagian dari service kan. Nah, dari sini ada pertanyaan enggak? Is there any problem? No questions? Tidak ada? Oh, sorry. Kameranya Ibu masih mati ya. Kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, Ibu bisa cek to your work ya. Pekerjaan teman-teman tadi. Ibu cek sekilas sudah luar biasa, bagus. Cuman ya itu tadi. I think it will be too long, akan sangat panjang banget buat teman-teman to practice it for speaking. Ya, itu yang akan memberatkan untuk teman-teman. Takutnya teman-teman hanya akan fokus pada readingnya. Tidak ada usaha untuk how to make the speaking performance gitu ya, karena saking panjangnya itu yang sebenarnya ibu nggak mau gitu ya. Ya, ini kebetulan yang ibu buka terakhir tadi kelompoknya Firhan. Untuk Firhan, ini yang Indonesian versionnya dibuang aja ya, langsung ke English version. Nah, hari ini yang harus teman-teman lakukan adalah revise your performance, ya, your script here. Tolong direvisi dulu. Kira-kira teman-teman akan membuat dialog yang lebih panjang itu pada bagian meeting atau bagian servisnya. Ya, karena Ibu lihat dari semua skrip yang masuk sama-sama panjang. Ada juga kelompok yang membuat skripnya itu servisnya sampai 2 kali. Ya, ada about finance, nggak harus yang seperti itu. Ya, kalau kemarin Ibu hanya membuat contoh komplit gitu ya, harapannya teman-teman bisa ambil sebagian aja untuk dilanjutkan dengan meeting atau sebaliknya ada meeting dulu. Dalam meeting itu you may discuss about how should the service for our company misalnya ya, pelayanan yang bagus di perusahaan kita itu harus seperti apa, disampaikan semuanya. Kemudian ada yang pro, ada yang kontra. Kemudian tiba-tiba ada telepon dari customer ya yang menanyakan atau mau memesan produknya misalnya. Nah, cara melayaninya seperti apa? Karena di rapat sudah dibahas, if you what is it, handle the customer, you have to make sure that you are in a good mood ya. You have to be able to speak politely. Nah, praktekkan itu di saat ada customer yang menghubungi perusahaan teman-teman. Cukup seperti itu, tidak harus yang panjang-panjang, tapi dia terpisah. Is it clear? Apakah bisa dipahami?
Paham, Bu.
Halo, suara Ibu kedengaran, teman-teman?
Terdengar, Bu.
Oke,
Bu.
jadi untuk 30 menit ke depan, Ibu buat breakout room lagi ya. Teman-teman diskusikan, kalian mau meeting dulu atau service dulu? Atau meeting, tengah-tengahnya ada service, kemudian dilanjut dengan meeting lagi? Up to you. Atau mau service dulu, baru ada meeting. Ya, jadi sebuah satu kesatuan nggak boleh lepas. Kayak misalnya ini punya Yesi ya, miscommunication regarding late delivery of goods to customer. Di sini, ini nampaknya good morning everyone. Ini kalau sudah seperti ini pasti ini meeting, ya kan? Sampai akhir. Ya, oke. Mungkin dari Angel mau menceritakan sampai akhir ini melakukan meeting sampai selesai atau bagaimana? Benar enggak yang Ibu pahami?
Cuma meeting aja, Bu, itu, Mas Yan. Belum ada
All
servis.
ya, semuanya meeting ya.
Belum ada
Belum
servis.
ada servisnya. Itu dia. Ya, mungkin benar kamu ngadakan meeting ini kan tentang handling problem with the customer tadi ya. Mungkin diawali dengan customer menelpon perusahaan membahas tentang itu miscommunication-nya seperti apa. Di bagian awal berarti ya, ada kejadian itu dulu baru dirapatkan, oke?
Baik, Bu.
Oke, nggak harus yang panjang karena meetingnya sudah sangat panjang. And then for group 2. Oh, for Anyase also complain sama ya tentang komplain dari customer. Kalian boleh ambil tema yang lain, nggak harus komplain ya. Bisa pemesanan gitu ya. Kemudian sudah ada sih tadi itu meeting sama. Nah, ini meetingnya gitu ya. Servisnya juga ada. Nah, ini yang tadi Ibu bilang sampai ada 2 dia. Punya 2. Ini kepanjangan. Pilih salah satu aja, kemudian hubungkan dengan meetingnya. Atau kalau memang dua-duanya ini tiga-tiga tidak berkaitan, you have to choose one. Which one that you will take for today? Mau diambil meetingnya? Ya, ini kan tadi komplain semua ya. Kalau ini good morning, you are absolutely right. I apologize for the lack of communication. Sama permasalahannya, ya, buruknya komunikasi. Kalau yang ini sales decline investigation. Nah, meetingnya ini tentang good morning everyone, thanks for coming. Sales of padi mas rice drop by 12% this month. Oh, ada permasalahan penurunan penjualan gitu ya. Nah, kayaknya kalau kamu mau bertahan pada script meeting ini, rasa-rasanya bisa sebenarnya pelayanan di mana customer yang biasanya memesan 100 atau 100 ton gitu ya, tiba-tiba dia hanya memesan 80 gitu, 80 ton gitu ya. Jadi nanti penurunan pemesanan dari customer itu kamu sampaikan di rapat sehingga bisa rapatnya tentang sales decline investigation, penurunan atau investigasi turunnya penjualan, seperti itu. Jadi diawali dengan service di mana ada customer yang memesan kembali tapi jumlahnya tidak sebanyak sebelumnya. Mungkin nggak hanya satu customer ya, bisa 2 atau 3 yang memang dia turun semua. Akhirnya dibahaslah dalam rapat itu. Oke? Atau teman-teman mau punya ide sendiri. Meetingnya aja Bu yang dirubah untuk servisnya. Kita tetap pakai salah satu dari yang di atas tadi. Boleh. Tapi pastikan untuk servis yang di atas tadi tentang apa. And then what kind of meeting that you have to make. Ya, meeting seperti apa yang harus dibuat. Aniasih, Nurul, Joyce, Nailul. Is it clear? Jelas penjelasan Ibu?
Yes, Miss.
Clear, Miss.
Okay, good. And then for group 3. Untuk grup 3, Dona, Irma Dana, Diana, sama Nenden. Sebelum Ibu jelaskan, sudah punya bayangan belum? Apa yang harus dilakukan? Ini meeting ya, di E sudah langsung meeting. Oke, kalau meetingnya nggak masalah, nanti tinggal praktis bagaimana fluent untuk speakingnya. Have you make the service here? Sudah ada servisnya belum, Irma?
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah ada di bawah.
Sudah ada, Miss.
Sorry?
Di bawah, Miss.
Oh,
Sudah ada,
di
Miss.
sini. Oke. Tadi meetingnya tentang apa?
Misalnya buat Excel, Miss.
Hmm. Ini kan, oke. Nothing else. Thank you for your word. Let's continue to improve our performance. Our next evaluation meeting will be held on first Monday. Oh, ini akhirnya ya. Nah, mungkin bisa moving forward, I like everyone to focus improving customer service, especially during weekends. Oh, permasalahannya adalah meningkatkan pelayanan pada konsumen, khususnya pada hari Minggu. I think we should consider additional training. Oh, ini sarannya adalah memberikan latihan tambahan for new staff. Berarti mungkin ada permasalahan di service ketika staf baru menangani konsumen yang dimana konsumen tuh nggak puas, akhirnya komplain by email maybe gitu ya. Kemudian nelpon menceritakan kemarin saya dilayani sama ini, saya merasa nggak puas gitu ya. I'm inconvenient with that. Seperti itu. Jadi untuk servisnya bukan perubahan ukuran ya, Atau mungkin perubahan ukuran itu karena customer service-nya salah mengirimkan, menuliskan pesanannya sehingga yang dikirim salah ukuran. Akhirnya harus dirubah. Berarti itu kan masalah juga, ya. Kok bisa customer service-nya seperti itu? Jadi tolong dibuat kaitannya antara meeting sama service-nya ya. Itu aja sih. Kalau topiknya masih masuk sih menurut Ibu. Dan yang terakhir kelompok 4 kontrak review and forecasting. Review kontrak dan ramalannya ya, prediksinya. Ini yang punyanya Firhan. Tagihan tak sesuai. Oke, please put it in English ya. Langsung dalam bahasa Inggrisnya aja. Ini sudah ada servisnya apa belum? Apa semuanya masih meeting? Ini meeting. Firhan, Laila, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Ya, oke. Masih meeting semua ya, Laila?
Bentar, Miss. Saya cek ulang ini yang di HP. Ada tadi dikirim ke HP.
Ya apa sih?
Sudah saya cek, tetapi kurang ya. Saya kurang tahu
Oke,
menjelaskan,
tapi paham
Miss.
ya yang harus di...
Sak kelompok tapi gak harus.
Oke, nanti didiskusikan di kelompoknya ya, Yutu, Adit, Toksun.
Yes, Miss.
Send the contract. I'll review and sign it by the end of the day.
Iya.
Coba dibuat kaitannya antara meeting yang dibuat ini dengan servisnya. Jadi dia tidak terpisah. Oke, saya rasa itu Ibu stop share dulu. Kemudian teman-teman, oke, saya siapkan roomnya seperti kemarin. Kelompok 1 kemarin ada siapa?
Angel, Yesi, Daru sama Kak Gracia, Miss.
Wait, Ibu buat leadernya aja ya.
Iya,
Ada 4. Yang kelompok pertama siapa kemarin? Nailul ya?
Angel,
Kelompok
Miss.
1.
Angel,
Sorry,
Miss.
Miss.
Angel.
Iya.
Angel kelompok 1.
Iya, Miss.
Oke, and then kelompok 2
Aniasi, Bu.
Aniasi ya. Oke. And then group 3
Dona, Bu.
Dona Sabella.
Dona. And group 4
Firhan.
Firhan, Bu. Tapi ada 2 kelompok yang belum ditambahkan, Bu. 2 nama, Bu, maksudnya.
Sorry, Diana. Oh, Ibu ingatnya Firhan deh.
Firhan.
Siapa Diana apa Firhan
Yang
kemarin?
saya, Miss.
Kelompok
What's
4.
your name?
Mas Firhan satu kelompok dengan Laila, Miss.
Suaranya nggak jelas sih.
Firhan, Bu.
Diana.
Firhan, Bu.
Firhan leadernya kelompok 4, Miss.
Oke. Ibu hanya membuat kelompok berdasarkan nama. Teman-teman bisa join by you yourself. Join sendiri-sendiri. Cari kelompoknya. Masih ingat atau enggak?
Ingat, Miss.
Miss, kelompok
Oke.
4 leadernya Firhan.
Oke, nanti Ibu ganti. Sekarang teman-teman masuk dulu. Yang 4 tadi Ibu tulis Diana.
Miss, Laila satu kelompok dengan Firhan, Miss.
Oke, Yesi. Yesi kelompoknya siapa? Oh, sudah, Nende. Tika, Aniasi, silakan. Ditunggu teman-temannya. Oke, aman ya, Cal?
Aman, Bu.
Oke, hi Angel, Yesi. Welcome back.
Hai,
Halo,
Miss.
Miss.
Halo, halo. Wait for the others, teman-teman semua ada 17. Oke, still 9. Thank you anyway. Ya, Ibu barusan cek luar biasa. Ternyata bisa loh dalam waktu singkat gitu ya. Sudah berubah skripnya. Yes, ya. Dan sesuai dengan apa yang Ibu perintahkan. That's good. Kita tinggal praktis sekarang ya. Tunggu teman-teman masih di breakout room. Oke, complete. Hai Joyce, finish ya.
Finish,
Oke.
Miss.
Yes, it's time. Tadi yang terakhir Ibu masih lihat punya kelompok Firhan ya, yang masih bahasa Indonesianya belum dihapus dan nampaknya masih I'm not really sure bagaimana susunannya. Tolong masih ada waktu untuk kelompok 4 nanti praktisnya kan akhir. Tolong dirapikan lagi ya, yang kelompoknya Firhan ya, Firhan dan kawan-kawan. Okay, I would like to start with the first practice, yeah, just like what I have said. Now it's time for practicing the dialogue for each group, masing-masing kelompok. Kita latihan sekarang untuk terakhir. After days, setelah latihan, gitu ya. Nanti teman-teman harus mendiskusikan kembali di dalam kelompoknya kira-kira mau membuat performance ini offline ya, ketemuan di kampus kalau memungkinkan. Ya, kalau tidak memungkinkan berarti harus dilakukan online. Nah, kalau online, you may use free Zoom, boleh pakai Zoom yang free itu kan dia sampai 40 menit tuh untuk recording. Bisa pakai itu atau pakai aplikasi yang lain silakan. Ya, buat performanya semenarik mungkin. Kalaupun online, by phone, telepon ya harus apa namanya? Practice using the phone kayak gitu ya. Oke, saya share screen selanjutnya. Saya rasa untuk ketentuan lain pastinya in your speaking performance sebenarnya yang Ibu harapkan adalah teman-teman benar-benar bisa practice your speaking, not only reading. Ya, but if you cannot do that, I will allow you to have your script, but please read just like speaking. Ya, baca tapi kayak orang ngomong gitu loh. Bisa nggak ya? Harus bisa. Ya, makanya kita coba practice it for now. Ya, kita coba sekarang. Oke. I would like to start from group 1 first, dari kelompok pertama dulu. I'm not really sure. Henderson ini namanya siapa ya?
Ini customer-nya, Miss.
Customer-nya diperankan sama siapa?
Diperankan sama Mas Daru.
Oh, Mas Daru. Pakai nama Daru aja nggak apa-apa sebenarnya.
Oh,
Atau
oke.
Mr.
Itu kalau ke double berarti nggak
Jaya
apa-apa
gitu.
ya?
Nggak apa-apa.
Oh,
Ya, real name.
oke.
Oke.
Nanti bisa saya revisi.
Daru
Nanti
udah
bisa
ada di
kamu
sini
revisi.
ya. Komplit ya.
Ya.
Miss, tapi Kak Graciannya masih dalam perjalanan pulang.
Oh, Gracianya masih dalam perjalanan pulang. Oke, kalau
Maaf,
gitu,
Miss. 15
kalau
menit lagi, Miss.
udah ada.
15 menit lagi.
15 menit lagi saya sampai. Maaf.
Oh, gitu. Eman
Maaf,
ya. Yang lengkap
maaf.
siapa? How about group 2? Kelompok 2 lengkap? Aniasi kelompoknya lengkap ya?
Lengkap, Miss.
Bu.
kelompoknya Aniasi dulu aja kalau begitu. Ini quite long script. I think you do not need to read this one. Yang bagian ini nggak perlu ya. Oke, kelompoknya Aniasi lengkap?
Lengkap, Miss.
Miss.
Oke, we start with group 2 berarti. Oke, time is yours. Joyce, Alea, Aniasi. Ya, Nurul ya yang jadi Alea ya. Ini pakai use your real name aja nggak apa-apa. Sorry. Silakan. Dari Joyce dulu.
Okay. Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Padi Emas Customer Support. This is Joyce speaking. How may I assist you today?
Excellent.
Good
And then
afternoon.
Alea.
Good afternoon. I raised my order this morning.
Received
My order this morning, but unfortunately, several rice were torn and some are no longer usable.
no longer usable.
I'm very disappointed.
I'm very disappointed.
I'm very disappointed.
Mm-mm.
I am really sorry to hear that, Mr. Alea. I'm completely
Miss
understand you.
Alea.
Miss Alea, I completely understand you. Completely understand your frustration. May I have your order number, please?
Alea?
Yes, it's 8, 9, 3, 2, and 4.
Thank you. May I also confirm the phone number
Confirm.
as the confirm?
Confirm, yeah. May I also confirm?
May I also confirm the phone number associated with the order?
Sure. It's
0812
0812 7765 9842.
Thank you. Please give me a moment to check your order status.
Okay. Please give me a moment to check your order status. Oke, di sini pause ya. Oke, ada jeda di sini while checking and then pura-puranya bunyi apa gitu kayak orang ngetik gitu mungkin oke, Joyce.
Okay. Thank you for waiting, Miss Nurul. I found your order for 5 tons of padi emas rice delivery this morning. Delivered this morning. I sincerely apologize for the damaged goods. Would you be able to send us photo of the damaged sacks?
Oke. Nah, nih di sini berubah Miss Nurul loh ya. Di atasnya masih Alea loh ya.
Oh, iya.
Yeah,
Okay,
which one do you want to use? Yeah, okay, good.
Okay.
And then
Yes,
sini.
I already took some and can send them now.
Good.
Thank you very much. Once
we receive the image,
Once we receive the image, we will process a replacement or compensation immediately. We
Compensation immediately. Immediately.
Immediately. We will also investigate this with our logistic team.
I hope this gets resolved soon. I can afford delay in my business.
Absolutely, Miss Alea will treat this with we will treat this with
Urgency.
urgency and follow up with the next 24 hours again.
Hours. Yep.
Again, we apologize for the inconvenience and thank you for your
Patient.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Have a good day, and we will be in touch soon.
Good. And we will be in touch soon. Gitu ya. Nanti praktis lagi ya, Joyce. Tadi di awal Joyce sudah meyakinkan banget sebagai customer service, sudah dapet tone-nya gitu ya. Cuman di akhir-akhir harus nanti dilatih lagi dan lagi. Okay, now it's time to go on to the meeting. Nah, product damage, delivery complaint review. Sama tadi ya, yang karungnya sobek. Okay, it's time to practice the meeting. Ini long service ya tadi ya. Service-nya cukup panjang, jadi harus benar-benar practice many times, jadi benar-benar fluent ya, lancar nanti. Okay, now Aniasi.
Good morning, team. We received a complaint this morning from Miss Alia about damaged rice sacks in the last delivery. This could hurt our brand reputation.
Okay,
we need to
wait a minute. I think Alia itu girl ya. It must be in her latest delivery.
Oh yes, Miss.
Continue.
Okay, good morning, team. We received a complaint this morning from Miss Alia about damaged rice sacks in her last delivery. This could hurt.
Ini pause-nya di sini loh, Ani.
Mana?
About damaged rice sacks.
Oke.
Ini motongnya jangan di sini ya, motongnya ya. About damaged rice sacks.
Rice.
Karungnya ya. Motongnya nggak di rice-nya, tapi rice sacks baru pause ya. Coba diulangi. We receive a complaint.
Stopnya di sacks itu ya, Bu ya?
Ya.
Oke. Good morning, team. We received a complaint this morning from Miss Alia about damaged rice sacks in her latest delivery. In her latest delivery. This could hurt our brand reputation. We need to address the cause and prevent this from happening again. Joyce, you took the complaint. Can you explain?
Yes. Yes, I spoke to the customer. She received several torn sacks. She already several torn sacks. She already sent us photo, and the damage seems to be during transit. During transit, He is asking for replace.
Ya, it must be she is karena Alea kan, a girl.
Okay. She is asking for replacement or compensation.
Nailul, what can you tell us from the logistics side?
The shipment was loaded late yesterday. It was raining and the packaging might have been compromised. I'll
Compromised.
I will check if the truck use had any issues.
Nurul, from the warehouse, how were the sacks packed?
Is the name correct? Namanya benar? Karena kalau nggak salah tadi yang jadi Alea Nurul ya? Oh enggak?
Aduh, putus-putus ya suaranya.
Iya, Bu.
Iya. Jadi ini siapa ini yang dimintai from the warehouse? How were the sack packed?
Nurul.
Nurul, Bu.
Benar ya?
Iya,
Tadi yang jadi Alea siapa?
Nurul juga.
Loh, Nurul juga?
Iya, Bu.
Oh, jadi nanti Nurul 2 posisi ya?
Iya.
Oke, oke. Oh, it's okay. Oh, makanya dia pakai nama Alea ya, bukan Nurul ya?
Iya.
Iya, Miss.
Oke, yes, oke, continue, sorry.
We follow start procedure. but
We
is-
followed
standard procedure. But it's possible the sex at the bottom can still tightly.
were not mm-mm,
Also, the
were
loading
not
team
sealed tightly.
also the loading team was short-staffed.
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 Okay.
We need to prevent this. Suggestions?
Any suggestions? Kayaknya enak gitu, Aniasi. We need to prevent this.
We need to
Any
prevent
suggestion?
this. We need to prevent this. Any suggestion?
First,
Okay.
First, let is issue a formal apology and replace the damage. Apologize and replace the damage product products today.
Okay. We will assign a supervisor to inspect truck condition before loading.
We can double check sealing before shipment. And will shipment. And will assign back up during busy days.
During busy days.
During busy
Busy.
they say.
Good.
Okay, Ani?
Let's execute all of that. I also want a checklist implemented before dispatch. This issue is a serious concern.
Oh yeah, sorry. Closingnya.
This issue is a serious concern. Let's make sure every team takes responsibility and improve their part. We can approach more complete like this. Thank you for your input. We will review follow-up action at the next meeting.
Oke, thank you. Keep practice ya untuk teman-teman dari kelompok 2 ya. Terus dilatih lagi. Udah bagus tadi, diperlancar lagi ya. Oke, thank you. Let's go on group 3. Kita ke grup 3 dulu. Are you ready? Donna, Irma, Diana.
Miss.
Yes,
Ready.
okay, you can start.
Ready.
Ready, Miss.
Good. Yeah.
Ready.
Okay. Come on. Time is yours. Bahas ya. Yang jadi customer siapa?
Mbak Irma sama Mbak Nenden ya?
Mbak Irma customer.
Iya, aku
Terima kasih.
customer. Miss, Mbak Irma masih perjalanan pulang. Sudah
Oh,
sampai.
sama.
Oh, sudah. No.
Sudah sampai, sudah
Sudah.
sampai.
Sudah sampai.
Sudah. Oke.
Oke, ayo.
Miss, the line is really long. I've been waiting for a while.
I'm very sorry about the convenience, madam. Right now, there's only one cashier available because my colleague is on a short break. But we'll do our best to speed things up.
Okay, but it's possible. Please add more cashier during busy hours. I'm in a bit of a hurry too.
Yes, madam. Thank you for the feedback. I'll pass it on my supervisor so it can be considered in the future. When I can, I apologize for the wait.
Good, good.
We have missed.
Sudah.
We done.
Next meeting ya, Miss.
Sorry. Ya, tadi sudah ya untuk servisnya ya. Tadi di bagian akhir aja yang bagiannya Nenden ada sedikit miss tadi. Sorry, Ibu ngomong tapi masih mute ternyata. Di bagian ini. I'll pass it on to my supervisor so it can be considered in the future. Yang ini tadi ya. Oke, nanti dilatih lagi. Finish with the service. Permasalahannya ini tadi Ibu lihat sudah dipakai, dibawa ke meetingnya. Oke, go on. Practice the meeting, Donna.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming the monthly evaluation meeting. Today, we will review our store's performance and discuss area that need improvement. Let's start with sales performance. Diana, could you share the report?
Yes, of course. Overall, sales increased by Sales increased by 8% compared to last month. However, the weekend foot traffic was lower than expected. We also received some customer complain about slow service during peak hours.
Peak hours.
Peak hours.
Yep.
Thank you, Diana. Irma, do you have any feedback from the cashier side?
Yes, during busy period.
During
busy period, we were short-staffed at the counter, which caused longer waiting times. I suggest scheduling and extra
scheduling.
I suggest scheduling.
I suggest
scheduling an extra cashier on weekend.
Donna?
That's a good point. And then, how about inventory management?
We had a few issues with delayed stock deliveries, which led to some of stock items I'm coordinating with suppliers to avoid this happening here.
Excellent
Kelewat ya?
idea.
Oke, wait a minute. Ini tadi nggak dirapikan ya. Ya yang ini ya, I appreciate, Dona.
Oh, ya. Nggak kelihatan. I appreciate your effort. Moving forward, I'd like everyone to focus on improving customer service, especially during weekends. During weekends, we also need to make sure all shelves are well stocked. Does anyone
Well stocked.
well stocked? Does anyone have any question or suggestion?
Oke, yang bagian ini ya, kata tanyanya dibaca, does anyone have any question or suggestions? Gitu ya, Dona?
Oke, siap.
Oke.
Does anyone have any question or suggestion?
I think we should consider additional training for new staff to handle peak hours more efficiently.
Good. Dona?
Excellent idea.
Excellent idea.
Excellent idea. We will arrange a training session next week. If there is nothing else, thank you all for your hard work. Let's continue to improve our performance. Our next evaluation meeting will be held on the first Monday of the next month. Have a great day, everyone.
Have a great day. Dijawab ya semuanya. Thank you. Ya, oke, good. Ya, I think you just need to practice more ya. Sama yang diperlukan adalah berlatih lagi dan lagi. Jadi walaupun membaca tapi kelihatan ngomong kayak gitu ya. Thank you Donna, Irma, Nenden, and Diana. Let's go on to group 4. Kelompok 4 lengkap ndak? Firhan, Laila, Hanum, Devita, Tika.
Firhan, Bu, nggak ada.
Oke. Firhan diganti Mas Ical ya?
Ya, diganti saya, Bu, boleh.
Oke, yuk dibantu Mas Ical tuh. Special guest. Oke. Hanum?
Mulai ya, Bu.
Ya, oke, mulai.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. We finished checking today batch and found 25% of the product are defect. The maximum tolerance limit is only 5%.
Is only 5%. Hanum, nggak boleh cepet-cepet karena kamu di sini memberikan penjelasan ya.
Oh iya, Bu, maaf.
Okay, the products are defective. The maximum tolerance limit is only 5%. Coba diulang.
The maximum tolerance limit is only 5%.
Devita?
That's allowed. What types of defect are there?
Tenaganya kok nggak ada, Devita. Pastinya kaget ya. That's a lot.
That's
What type
a lot. What
Hmm.
types of defect are there?
Most of
Okay.
the stages are loose and some are not sized to specification. Is there a problem with the machine or the operator?
It seemed like one of the machine had a problem this morning, and some of the new operator are still learning. We will check and determine the is a cause. Determine the is a cause.
Good.
Okay, Miss, please follow up immediately so that it doesn't happen again in the next page.
Good.
Thanks for the info. We will report it to the production manager later.
And then here is the scene, yeah. Quality control found many defective products that exceeded the SOP tolerance standards and went to the production department to report the findings. Customer. 1, 2, 3, 5 students ya. Nah, ini masih Cal, Firhan. Good
Oke.
morning, ini meetingnya ya.
Baik, Bu. Good morning. Thank you for coming. Today we're discussing a product quality issue reported by QC. As exceeding the defect limit. We hope to find the cause and a solution together today.
QC boleh dipanjangkan ya, quality control gitu ya. Oke, good. Next, Hanum.
Thank you. Our inspection result indicate that the defect rate for the last batch reached 25%, primarily due to loose stitching and incorrect sizing. Please respond.
We discovered a problem with one of the machines that morning, and there is also a new, unskilled operator. Will fix it and re-evaluate.
Unskilled operator, ya. Oke, Laila. Laila, are you there?
From our health perspective, there are no strong issues.
Storage issues.
Defective products are already present in production.
Okay. We'll record all the follow-up actions. Machines check, operators retrains. Machines check, operators retrains, and materials inspected more closely. Admin, please take minutes and share the result.
Okay, I will compile the minutes and a complete report of this meeting, including the data previously presented by QC, quality control, production, warehouse, and procurement. I have it sent to all meeting participants by tomorrow afternoon.
Oke, good. Ini enak banget Tika, hanya bagian satu ini ya, dialog ya. It's okay. Ya, kalau memang. Nah, ini kan dari Tika ya, seharusnya ada closing dari leadernya tadi. Ya, closing from the meeting leader. Ya, tambahkan bagian itu. Oke, thank you for group 4. Keep practicing before taking the video ya. Oke, let's go on. Go back to group 1. Grup 1.
Ya, Mi.
Sudah ya? Daru ada nggak?
Hadir.
Hadir, oke, good. Yes, time is yours.
Good morning, Mr. Daru. I was just about to join our internal meeting regarding the shipment.
Gracia, I need quality. It's already July 17.
July?
Yes,
it's already July 11.
Oh, July 11.
Yes.
And we still don't have the components. This is seriously affecting our launch schedule.
I completely understand.
I completely understand, and I apologize for the delay. We're treating this as a top priority. I'll get the latest updates from the meeting and send you a detailed report right after.
Please do, and make sure this doesn't slip further.
Doesn't
This
slip.
doesn't slip further. Further. This delay is testing our confidence.
Understood, Mr. Henderson? Mr. Daru, I'll be in touch shortly.
Sorry. I'll be in touch ya. Duh, kepanjangan.
I'll be in touch shortly.
Gracia.
Understood, Mr. Daru. I'll be in touch shortly.
Good. Now, the meeting. Angel.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining this urgent meeting on the delay of the project Alpha shipment. Gracia, I heard you just spoke to Mr. Daru.
Okay, wait a minute. Yang bagian ini ya. Thanks for joining this urgent meeting. Bukan urgent ya, but it must be urgent meeting on the delay of the project Alpha shipment.
Thanks for joining this urgent meeting. Thanks for joining this urgent meeting on the delay for the project Alpha shipment. Gracia, Alpha shipment. Gracia, I heard you just spoke to Mr. Daru.
Yes, he called right before the meeting. He's very concerned about the ongoing delay and said it's starting to affect their trust. I told him we're working on this urgently and that I'd follow up after the meeting.
All right. Yesi, please walk us through the current situation.
The shipment is still held at Jakarta Port due to a custom backlog from new regulations starting July 1. Our local agents was fully prepared. Additionally, there was an issue with our documentation that caused an extra 24 hours delay.
24 hour.
24-hour delay.
Good. Delay ya. And then?
Thanks, Yesi. Daru, how's this impacting operations?
It shows part of the assembly line is paused. If we don't we don't get this shipment by July shipment by July 15.
15?
Production will stop completely. And it will affect other projects. Labor costs are already increasing due to downtime.
Due to
downtime.
Good.
Gracia, you already briefed the client. Did he mention any specific expectations?
Yes, they want certainty. Any further delay?
They want certainty.
Yes. Okay. Yes, they want certainty. Any further delay could jeopardize future collaboration. He expects a formal update today.
Understood. Yesi, what have we done so far?
Yesi, what have we done so far?
Yesi, what have we done so far?
We escalated to a specialized custom broker.
Specialized
custom broker. All corrected documents have been submitted. They are working directly with port authorities, and I'm receiving hourly updates.
Yes.
Salt will prep our internal team.
Should we prep our internal team?
Salt will prep our internal team.
Good.
Yes.
Salt.
Should.
Oh yes, Miss.
Okay, Yesi.
Yes. As soon as I confirm clearance, we need the team ready to unload and fast track everything to the production line.
Great. Here are the action items. Great. Here are the action items. Yesi, keep hourly updates alert Daru when cleared.
Oh wait, keep hourly update. Hour itu hanya nggak dibaca teman-teman. Tadi beberapa ya, semuanya juga ya. Keep hourly updates.
Keep hourly updates alert Daru when cleared. Daru, prepare team for immediate intake. Gracia, draft a formal client update. I'll review it. Jesse, what's our most optimistic estimate time on arrival?
Arrival?
Arrival.
If all goes smoothly, cleared by the July 11 and delivered by the morning of July 12.
Good.
Let's communicate that to the client with caution. We'll reconvene at 4 p.m. today for updates.
Just to clarify components, go straight to the line. Just to clarify, components go straight to the line. No internal quality control.
Alright. For this shipment only, we'll rely on supplier quality control. Internal quality control resumes with the next page. Alright, thank you everyone. Let's move forward with the plan.
Will do. Understood.
On it.
Okay, good. Ya, you have a complete one. Ini sudah ada closingnya juga. Yes, good. Thank you. Sudah semuanya. Is there any questions? Ada pertanyaan teman-teman?
No.
Nanti untuk instruksinya, videonya, Ibu kasih waktu 1 minggu ya teman-teman. Nanti maksimal berarti hari Jumat depan, video harus terkumpul. Nah, untuk penilaiannya, kemudian video durasinya, Ibu sampaikan nanti di bagian instruksi untuk final test ya. Nanti Ibu tambahkan tab di sini, final test instruction. Nanti teman-teman boleh cek ya, harus apa saja. Ini Ibu kalau buka lagi kayaknya bakal panjang ya. Nanti dibaca sendiri. Tidak susah. Final test instructions. Ini khususnya untuk videonya ya. Harus seperti apa. Silahkan kalau teman-teman mau pakai Zoom seperti ini. Atau mau ketemu langsung gitu ya. Up to you. Oke. I think our today's meeting is enough. Do you want to ask something before we close?
No. No problem.
Ada pertanyaan, teman-teman? Tidak ada. If there is no question, I think enough. Thank you for today. Thank you for the last meeting. Yeah, sorry for all the mistakes. Still, you have one more project to finish this course. Yeah, make the best performance of you so that I can give you all A. Ya, semuanya bisa dapat A tergantung effortnya. Nah, ini effort terakhir ya. Terima kasih semuanya. Ibu akhiri. Good night. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good night.
Thank you, Miss.
Oke, thank you. Makasih Mas Ical.
Thank you,
Oke.
Miss.
Oke, bye-bye. Ibu Liv.